Our client recently transformed this house into multiple apartment units, a beautiful renovation with one big challenge: how to provide safe, separate access for each renter while meeting modern building codes and safety regulations. They needed a practical solution that wouldn't compromise the look of the property, and that's where we came in. At Art Metal Workshop, we designed and fabricated a custom 3-story exterior steel fire escape staircase. Each platform, beam, and tread was engineered for long-term durability, perfect alignment, and code compliance. Our team installed the full structure on site, section by section, creating a solid, secure escape route connecting all floors. It's more than just a fire escape. It's an architectural feature built to last. Strong, galvanized steel, low maintenance, safe for generations. 3 stories of safety, precision, and craftsmanship. Proudly built by Art Metal Workshop. Art Metal Workshop, where safety meets design.